I'm not bad. I'm just drawn that way.
Hey lovelies, I am back again with another hair review on another gorgeous unit as this one. So let's just go ahead and get right into this unit. So I am wearing Bobbi's I am wearing Bobbi Boss's Glueless lace wig, and I have her in the style Evangeline.
What?
Okay, so should we just start this over?
That would be great.
I
Okay.
have her in the style Evangeline, and I have her in the color honey color. We'll get it. Color honey lilac. So my first impression on this wig, I didn't want to mess with the middle part. I thought the middle part worked. I thought the middle part brought out the colors of this wig for this particular color, the honey lilac, and I love it. It's got some purple, it got some blues. I don't like it, and I do like the little curl, like the Fair Fawcett type curl. Like they tried to go Fair Fawcett and boop, and then they kind of stopped right here, and then it was like straight. But I still love it. I really think this is a beautiful wig. So let's just talk about Miss Evangeline. Now, Miss Evangeline can be worn glueless, which means she has an elastic band. And I know I'm really early with the cap construction, but there are two combs in the middle of your head, one in the back, there's adjustable straps, and there is an elastic band. So I really do think this particular wig is big head friendly because of the elastic band and the adjustable straps as well. So if you feel like your head might be on the larger side, I feel like this wig would be perfect for you. Now, I'm going to say the lace on this wig is very soft. When I was cutting it, it was like butter when I was cutting the lace, the extra lace off of this wig. So I don't think it's gonna have that itchy type hard lace. It was soft for me, and I actually like it. It's very comfortable. So the lace is actually an HD lace, and I don't know if y'all can see that. My camera's not focusing, but it says seamless blending, which I feel like it really did blend well when I was trying to glue the wig down. Now they claim this is a 13 by 7 lace front, which I do think you get a lot of parting. As I showed y'all at the beginning, it's a lot of parting. I probably have never complained about the Glueless HD lace wigs from Bobbi just because they really do give you a lot of parting. So I'll agree with that. And the baby hairs. So we're not getting into baby hairs yet. Let's just continue on with the positives. Now it's saying that it has a comfy flexi fit cap. I do agree with that. I do feel like it, like I said earlier, it is big head friendly, and I feel like Miss Evangeline can fit all heads. Now I want to talk about the cons. When I was basically like finger combing her, using a comb to detangle the hair and all that stuff, because I was doing everything up under the sun trying to style it, I did get some shedding. Now I didn't get like a little hair here, a little hair there. Like now it was kind of like it was a big handful. So just be mindful of that. I think she's going to be a shedder. As pretty as this wig is, I really do feel like she's going to be a shedder. Another con is that these baby hairs, either you can pluck them or you can disguise them in the rest of the hair, or you can make them a baby hair, but just that's probably the only thing that irritates me with these are the baby hair. They're just so much so much baby hair. I don't know what to do. It's just so much baby hair. So just be mindful of that as well. Now, as far as the plucking and things like that, I did not pluck this wig. I did add powder in the part because I didn't really style it past how it came. Like, this was the way it was packaged is how I styled it, because I felt like this shows the blues and the purple, and I think this is maybe like a strawberry blonde, a dirty blonde, an ash blonde, something like that. And I think it goes great, and it just works. And I really do like this wig on my skin tone. I think it looks really pretty. I'm trying to make sure, of course it's curls. I mean, y'all saw me curling it down, not curling it down, but flattening it down at the top. So of course it curls, all that good stuff. But yeah, so let's talk about the length. I feel like this wig may be 20 to 22 inches. I'm leaning more towards the 20 inch. So it's a long unit, but it's not like super long. Like if you don't really like long hair, but you want some length, this would be a good wig for you. And I'm 5'3", and it comes, you know, right at the boob. So I feel like this this would be nice for people who don't like really, really long wigs. And it's also, I feel like these colors are a little bit fallish. So you can also wear it during the fall. But you know, I'm gonna wear any color wig, any season. Lovelies, I appreciate you all coming yet again to my channel and just watching me and supporting me, which I appreciate 1000%. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And of course, lovelies, always stay safe and stay lovely.